Ever started a side hustle and realized too late there were smarter, faster ways? I've been there. The truth is, it's not about working harder anymore, it's about working smarter, and AI is the ultimate shortcut. I wasted months on tasks AI could do in minutes, from building websites to finding clients. That's why I'm sharing the 5 AI tools that would have saved me time, boosted my earnings, and scaled my income way faster. If you're starting your first hustle, don't make my mistake, watch till the end. First up, Durable AI. It's a platform that's been making waves in the web design world, and for good reason. It's a total game changer for building websites, especially if you're looking to create something quickly and efficiently. Back then, building a site meant learning to code, diving deep into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. It was a time-consuming and often frustrating process, or you were stuck paying thousands to a developer, which was a huge barrier to entry for many small businesses and entrepreneurs. I procrastinated and lost clients because the tech felt overwhelming. The learning curve was steep, and I missed out on valuable opportunities. Durable changes everything, offering a streamlined and intuitive approach to website creation. Just tell it your business type and location, for example, landscaping business in Austin, Texas, and in 30 seconds you get a complete professional website ready to go. It's almost unbelievable how fast it is. Homepage, services, testimonials, contact form, all pre-filled with relevant content and images. Use it for your own hustle, create a stunning online presence for your own brand, or, better yet, start a web design agency and tap into a massive market. Local businesses desperately need modern websites to stay competitive in today's digital landscape, but can't afford traditional agencies with their exorbitant fees and lengthy project timelines. Offer to build them a beautiful AI-generated site in a day, providing a quick and affordable solution. For $200 to $500, a price point that's accessible to most small businesses. Input their details, tweak the design to match their branding, and deliver a finished product in under an hour. It's an incredibly efficient process. Land just 2 clients a week at $300 each, which is very achievable, and that's $2,400 a month in extra income for a few hours' work. Imagine the possibilities with that kind of time efficiency. You're not just selling a website, you're offering a complete solution. You're selling speed, convenience, and a pro image, all bundled into one irresistible package. This is one of the lowest hanging fruit opportunities in AI right now, ripe for the taking. I spent weeks learning WordPress, struggling with plugins and themes. With Durable, you can build a portfolio in days, showcasing your skills and attracting new clients. It's the ultimate unfair advantage, giving you a significant edge over the competition. For launching a service-based side hustle that can quickly turn into a full-time business, Durable automates the tech, handling all the complex behind-the-scenes work, so you focus on finding clients and building relationships. No coding, no headaches, no technical nightmares, just results. Tangible, impressive results that speak for themselves. Start your agency, scale fast, build a thriving business, and let AI do the heavy lifting, freeing you up to focus on growth and strategy. That's leverage. That's the power of AI working for you. Tool 2 is Luca, your shortcut to professional branding. It's a platform designed to empower you with the tools to create a stunning brand identity without breaking the bank. Think of it as your personal AI-powered branding assistant. When I started, my DIY logo looked amateur and cost me business. It lacked the professional polish needed to inspire confidence in potential clients. I quickly realized that a strong brand presence is crucial for success. Designers were too expensive. The quotes I received were simply out of reach for a startup budget. It felt like professional branding was reserved for established companies with deep pockets. Luca fixes this. It democratizes the branding process, making it accessible to everyone, regardless of their budget or design experience. Enter your business name, pick styles and colors, and specify your industry. This helps the AI understand your brand's personality and target audience. And the AI generates hundreds of unique, pro-quality logos. You'll be presented with a diverse range of options, each tailored to your specifications. For a one-time fee, often under $30, you unlock a treasure trove of branding assets. You get a full branding kit, a comprehensive package designed to give your brand a cohesive and professional look. Logo files, social media images, ready to be deployed across all your online platforms. Business cards, email signatures, and a brand guide. This guide ensures consistency in your brand's visual identity, maintaining a professional image across all touchpoints. Agencies charge $500 plus for this, Luca provides a comparable service at a fraction of the cost. Turn it into income, offer branding kits as a service to other businesses on Fiverr or Upwork for $50 to $100. This is a great way to leverage Luca's capabilities and generate revenue. Take client info, run it through Luca, gathering their preferences and brand vision. Curate the best options, and deliver a complete brand kit. Present your clients with a polished and professional branding package that exceeds their expectations. Your cost is low, your margin is high, and the work is minimal. It's a win-win situation for both you and your clients. Deliver 5 to 10 kits a week, providing consistent value and building a strong reputation. And you've built a steady, low-effort income stream. This allows you to focus on other aspects of your business or simply enjoy the fruits of your labor. You're bridging the gap between expensive agencies and DIY tools, offering a valuable service to businesses of all sizes. AI makes branding accessible and profitable. It's a game changer for entrepreneurs and freelancers alike. No design skills needed, just smart use of tech. Embrace the power of AI and unlock your creative potential. Build your freelance business, scale with volume, and watch your income grow. And let Luca handle the creative heavy lifting. Focus on client communication and business development, while Luca takes care of the design work. That's how you turn branding into cash flow, transforming a creative skill into a profitable venture. All right, let's dive into Instantly.ai. Think of it as your very own automated client finding machine, working tirelessly in the background. It's designed to take the pain out of prospecting and lead generation, allowing you to focus on what you do best, closing deals and growing your business. Remember when prospecting used to mean endless hours spent crafting cold emails and making cold calls? You'd pour your heart and soul into each message, only to receive a handful of replies, if any at all. It was exhausting, inefficient, and frankly, demoralizing. Instantly.ai changes all that by automating the entire process, from lead generation to personalized outreach. Simply upload your lead list, craft a short, engaging email sequence, and let the AI work its magic, sending personalized emails to thousands of potential clients. And the best part? It does all of this without your emails ending up in the dreaded spam folder. Instantly.ai's built-in warm-up feature ensures your emails consistently land in your prospects' primary inboxes, maximizing your chances of getting noticed. Set up a campaign with just a few clicks, and watch the qualified replies roll in, ready for you to engage. This frees you up to focus on what truly matters, nurturing those leads and closing deals. It's a game changer, especially if you're selling services like web design. Imagine this. You email 500 targeted businesses, and you get 10 genuine replies. From those replies, you close just 2 deals at $500 each. That's an easy $1,000 generated from a single campaign. Personally, I've leveraged Instantly.ai to secure clients paying $800 or more per month on a recurring retainer basis. Instantly.ai transforms client acquisition from a chaotic guessing game into a predictable and scalable system that fuels consistent growth. No more relying on hope and prayer, just data-driven results that you can track and optimize. If you're in the business of selling any kind of service to other businesses, then this tool is an absolute must-have in your arsenal. Automate your outreach efforts, keep your sales pipeline consistently full of qualified leads, and watch your income grow exponentially as a result. Let AI handle the tedious grind of prospecting so you can dedicate your time and energy to what truly matters, building relationships and closing those high-value clients. That's the secret to scaling your business effectively and sustainably. Tool 4. Notion AI turns your ideas into digital products fast. Notion's AI helps you brainstorm, write, and organize everything from blog posts to business plans. But the real gold mine? Creating and selling Notion templates. The Notion community is huge, and people pay for ready-made dashboards, planners, and trackers. Use Notion AI to build templates, ask it to outline sections, generate text, and structure your product. Sell your templates on Gumroad or Etsy for $15 to $20 each. Build it once, sell it forever. Every sale is pure profit. I've seen creators earn thousands a month from just a few popular templates. It's true passive income. Create digital assets that work for you 24/7. Notion AI speeds up the process so you can launch more products faster. No coding, no design degree, just smart systems and AI. Build your digital product empire with efficiency and scale. That's the power of Notion AI. Last up, Okoya, your AI-powered social media manager. Consistent posting is key to growth, but creating content for every platform is a time sink. Okoya generates content, designs graphics, and schedules posts across all your channels from one dashboard. Give it a prompt, and it creates dozens of posts, text, and visuals in minutes. It can even turn articles into a week's worth of social content. Use Okoya to grow your own audience on autopilot. Schedule a week's content in an hour. Or offer social media management as a service to small businesses for $150 to $300 a month. Manage multiple clients from one dashboard with AI doing most of the work. What used to take 10-15 hours a week now takes 2 to 3. Sell a consistent professional social presence, powered by AI. Scale your service, boost your income, and free up your time. Okoya is your secret weapon for social media success. Let AI handle the content grind. There you have it, 5 AI tools that can transform your side hustle. Durable for instant websites, Luca for branding, Instantly for client outreach, Notion AI for digital products, and Okoya for social media. These tools give you leverage, saving hours, boosting quality, and automating income. You don't need to be a coder or designer, just use the right tools. The barrier to starting a profitable side hustle has never been lower. Which tool are you most excited to try? Drop it in the comments and subscribe for more real, practical AI income tactics. Let's turn screen time into income time. See you in the next one.